Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to set PowerShell 7 as a default terminal on Windows. So first of all we have to go right there and we have to open CMD. CMD is a command prompt. This is a default, I would say, terminal that is built into Windows, and we have to open that. And second of all, we need to make sure that we have PowerShell installed. We can do it by typing in a command like this, so pwsh. If you will press enter, you will see PowerShell 7.6.0 right there. That means we have PowerShell installed in our system. We can use the other command. It is a $sign. As you can see, it is filling automatically. It is PSVersionTable, and it will also display for us the version of our PowerShell. And now, how can we change the default terminal on Windows? We have to simply click on this down arrow right there, and we have to open settings. Right there we have something what we call default profile. Profile that opens where clicking the plus icon or typing the new tab key binding. As you can see, we have to choose that. We can either choose command prompt that is set by default, we can use Windows PowerShell that is also, I think, installed by default, and we can choose PowerShell 7 that you have to download, for example, from the Microsoft Store, or you have to type in the command in the terminal in order to download it. We have to choose that. So we have to choose this PowerShell icon and we have to choose save right there. And it will work. As you can see, my settings have been saved. And this is how we can change the default terminal on Windows. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.